Alright, I am making Butterscotch Peanut Butter Fudge. My butterscotch and my peanut butter. I'm going to melt this all together. I got my pan here. I'm going to line it with parchment. Oh my. This looks absolutely delicious. All right. I'm going to set that in the refrigerator, let it set up, then we'll cut it. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right. Let it set up. Oh, that's very, very pretty. I like that. Now, if you want a thicker fudge, just use a smaller pan or make a double batch. Ooh, this cut's really nice too. Okay, let's see. This is delicious. I just love candy. I think that's my problem. It's really good.